Dr. Sanjeev, what do you think about our service?
Most important thing is the finding of tenants. It was very quick and it's a very smooth process.
Today we are introducing our dear landlord. So, we have recently rented 2 properties in Clyde and Clyde North. So Dr. Sanjeev, what do you think about our service and property management?
Yes, it was great actually, because when I joined with you, so the communication and the responsibilities, everything went well. So obviously, most important thing is the finding of tenants. It was very quick and it's a very smooth process. Yeah, it was fantastic, and that's a real good feedback for me, and I recommend for everyone. Yes.
Do you recommend our service to any other landlord if you require finding the tenants and our service?
Absolutely, I recommend all the landlords because it's easy, and communication, maintenance in case if you need some issues, if you got some issues with the tenants or communication, everything, whatever they handle, it was very fantastic. So I recommend for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes!